Hello and welcome to C.LynnsArt Art of Cooking. Today I'm trying a new cereal, Nature's Path Organic Sunrise Crunchy Cinnamon. Organic, non-GMO, and gluten-free. This is what the cereal looks like. And I got it at Kroger's in the clearance area. And as I told you before, don't sleep on clearance. $1.79, normally $3.49, which is a great deal. And I'm going to show you the nutritional information. I really love cinnamon, so I'm so excited to try this. And also as part of the breakfast, I'm going to have some fruit, which will be blueberries and oranges, water, green tea, and we're using almond milk. So let's get started. Okay, so let's taste it. Okay, it tastes pretty good. It has a mild cinnamon flavor, and it is sweet, but just very mildly sweet, not overwhelming at all. For me, I would say it is good enough to eat plain. I don't have to add extra cinnamon, or I don't have to add honey, and I don't have to add fruit. I could eat it just like this. But for the health benefits, I'm pretty sure I'll still add some cinnamon. So there you go. This is definitely a buy for me, and I will show you the other clearance items in a mini clearance Kroger haul soon to come. So stay tuned. Also, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to go to the IG, C.LynnsArt, and follow me there. And if you haven't read the blog, you're missing good content. So also go read the blog at www.C.LynnsArtofCooking.com. Thanks for tuning in, and happy eating!